Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will using a sculpting mode to make this chrome text effect easily and step by step as always in this channel. So let's get started. We select the light and the cube, right click, delete. Now go in add a text RX90 to make it in the vertical. We go here in properties of the text, make it in the center. We choose a font. You can choose any one you like, but for me, I chose this. Hit tab, delete the text, and hit any text you want. For me, it's Blender. Hit tab to close this. S to scale the text. Now we go here in geometry, we extrude it. It's good like this. Now right click, convert to mesh. We go here to see our text. It's structured, but you need to be better. For this, now go in modifier properties, add modifier, generate, remesh. Don't worry if you see the text like this. We go here in the sharp, disable this and give it now. As you can see, our text is come back. Apply the modifier. Now if you see the texture is better. Now we can go. Now we are going to sculpting this text. Go here in shader, in smooth, go here in smooth, and now we decrease this to maybe 0.6. Make sure that it's in plus. Now take your time for this, because we will create this if you make a mistake, just hit Ctrl Z and go back. Now we go in the back of the text. As you can see, it's the first time for me I use this technique, so I hope that you will like this. As you can see, the text is changing completely. Now we go back in object mode. Now we change in color, select sky texture, decrease this number to 0.3, and we will see after. Here we give it 120. Now we switch here in the render properties, we switch to cycles, active a GPU if you have one, decrease this number to 32, and this maybe just 15. Go here in color management, choose very high, choose very high contrast. Active denoising. Now here when you see the plus, up, and go in shader editor, hit N to close this window. Now we go back here to layout to see. Now add a plane, S to scale it, G, Z, GZ down. Now okay, now hit 0, hit N, view, camera to view, and hit N to close this. S to scale the plane. We want it just like this, because we will see the sky like this. We decrease the lighter just like this here. In sun elevation, we give it maybe 6 like this. We go in property of the text here. We scale it in the Z axis and the Y axis, sorry, to make it bigger like this. Okay, now we go back here. When you see the plus, go in shader editor, hit N to close this window. Now we select the plane. We will make it metallic. Select the text, new, make it just metallic, and the roughness, we give it maybe 0.2. As you can see, now we have this text. You can leave it just like this if you want to see it in the sky with this gradient texture. Now, if you want to go here to see the render image, we go here, render image. As you can see, the text is not perfect. So, to solve this problem, we go back here, select the text, go in the render image, generate, we select subdivision surface. Now you can see the text is changing. Apply the modifier, right click, shadow smooth. Now, if you go back to render image, we will see now the text have a beautiful texture and it's unique. It's just like if you write it with your hand. It's different that other method. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoying to make it with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one. But don't forget, like and subscribe.